In this video, I'll introduce the new Beas Analytical Insights, a set of dashboards for Beas manufacturing using the Boyum app dashboards functionality. We have two calendars that we can use for viewing the production scheduling and also the maintenance orders scheduled to be executed. Clicking on the scheduling calendar, we can see that the calendar has the same format of an Outlook calendar. And here we have basically two areas of data. One area on the top that will display in gray all the current interruptions, and if we have overdue orders, a list of all the orders that are overdue at this moment. And the other set of data represents the scheduling for the resources that I have selected here. I have selected all, so I can see all the resources, but I can also filter for one specific resource and see the scheduling of that resource in particular. I am viewing it day by day, but I can also change the view to week and see everything that I have planned in the different weeks. I can view it month by month, and I can also transform this on an agenda view. The agenda view is like a work plan for the selected resources in the selected time range. If I want to know everything that I need to produce on this specific day, I can just come into this day and click on the agenda view to see everything that needs to be produced in that day. So this can also be used as a panel for the shop floor employees to know what they have to work on. Every time an employee logs into an operation, this operation becomes green, and the name of the employee that is working on it is written before the description of the operation. So the employees can know who is working on each one of the operations and which ones are still pending to be done. On the maintenance calendar, we have a plan of all the maintenance orders created for the different maintenance objects. And if you want, we can just filter for the resource here on the list. And you can also filter based on the maintenance status, seeing all the orders that are planned to be done in work or closed. All the orders that are still planned will be displayed in blue, while the orders that are in work can have two colors. Red if the resource is interrupted, so the technicians can know that this machine cannot be operated because the maintenance needs to be performed. This is specifically in cases of corrective interruptions and on preventive interruptions for which the automatic interruption creation have been selected. If the maintenance is in work but the resource is not interrupted, it will be displayed in green. And all the maintenance orders that have already been closed will be displayed in gray like those. This calendar can also be viewed on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, as a monthly view, and also as an agenda view.